Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ram 1500 in an express trim, I believe, and powered by a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with steps down below as well as mud flaps on the front and rear. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. You also have two cup holders in the middle and these storage bins on either side. Plenty of room inside for whatever. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 77,032 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your digital speedometer. You can also look at your vehicle info, such as tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil temperature, basically all of your service info and stats. Then you can also go back and look at your fuel economy, your trip A and B information, messages such as warnings, and screen setup in general. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary capable, so you have a bunch of options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your hazards and your climate controls, very simple, just on 3 dials. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls, and moving down, you have your traction control shut off and tow haul mode. Then you have this compartment, as well as a 12-volt and USB on either side. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest with 2 USBs auxiliary inside, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. Then this can be lifted up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck with some extra little trays down here. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.